Hi, my name is Janet and I study entomology at the University of Wisconsin, and in particular I'm really interested in how we can use beneficial insects like, for instance, ladybugs to control some pest insects, something like aphids maybe. And a woman that really inspired me is Maria Sibylla Merian, and she is really inspirational because she just kind of did what she thought she should do or what she wanted to do without really worrying about what was normal at the time. So she had done a lot of studying caterpillars and moths in the Netherlands where she was living at the time, and she decided she really wanted to go to South America and study all the diversity of different butterflies and moths in South America. And so even though it wasn't very common at that time to get funding, to get grants or anything like that, she managed to convince the Amsterdam government to give her money to go to South America. And she went with her daughter to South America and did all these amazing illustrations of plants and butterflies and moths that were in South America at that time. And she basically popularized to the general public that caterpillars turn into butterflies and moths, and also that caterpillars are often associated with a specific host plant. And so that was a lot of knowledge that most people didn't know at the time, and she sort of brought that to the general public. And another really cool thing about her at that point, most of the Dutch in South America were working with the sugar trade, and so the native people were basically viewed just as slaves and not really as people at all. But Maria just went and she started talking to them, and she found the local names for all the plants and butterflies that she was working with and found a lot of their knowledge and brought that back and really encouraged the Dutch at that time to treat them more like people and not just like slaves. So those are a couple things about her that I just think are really cool, that she just went there and did what she wanted to do and kind of interacted with the world in the way that she thought she should, instead of how other people were telling her that she should at that time.
Right. And what do you like about what you do now?
And my favorite part about what I do is just getting outside in nature and walking around and looking at all the different insects and birds and everything that kind of works together to create the ecosystem, and just being outdoors.
Great.
So,
Great. Thank you.
thank you.